We'll just recap the whole day. You gotta eat the part with the salsa.
Wow.
There's a tostada from the Taco King.
Really fucking good. Really good. So we've been here since 3.
We're way past our bedtime.
That is even better now. It's almost dark. We haven't been out past dark since 82. It's really good, isn't it?
Huge police presence today. I'll say huge presence of horses, but I think that might be normal. We saw our friend Corey. Her nickname for me is Cash Money. She treated us to Soul Sickle.
Are you glad we got
I didn't think that I wanted it. You could get sour cream for $1 more. My thrifty suggestion is bring your own sour cream.
Jesus Christ. This is really good. Why can't I put it down? What's the...
Oh, when you put it down, it falls apart. See? See? We went through the Midway. Hey, look at this video. I look like I'm losing weight, which would be completely inexplicable. What I've been doing over the last 10 days.
It's against my doctor's orders.
Let's go try with that.
What language are you speaking?
English. All right, what have we done today? We saw a goat contest where they judged the smoothness and attachment of the udders and the mammary glands of the milking geldings or something. I don't know the terminology. And we saw a Clydesdale horse with a sheriff. We saw a bunch of police.
Really
And,
loaded with armor.
Yeah, muscular, tactical. I'm pretty sure those are like Navy SEALs just wearing a sheriff uniform, quite frankly. That's what they look like. And what else do we see today? We've been here for
We're on a Minnesota State Trail right now.
5 hours, and honest to God, I don't know what we've been doing. Oh, we ate Australian potatoes.
Yeah, that was too much.
That was overwhelming. Wait, we walked the Midway.
That was really fun, actually.
Oh, we went to Heritage. Well, it used to be called the Heritage Village. How
It's called
long?
West End. West End Village, I think. No, it's nice, eh?
It's nice, but
It's a good place to get away from the crowds.
yeah, that's true. So is behind the barns.
That stuff stinks back there.
What else did we do?
We spent a lot of time with Corey.
Yeah, we did. We spent about an hour with Corey. Now we're
I
getting.
want another one. What's going on over there?
It's spicy.
Uh-oh. Cop.
Go check it out. I lost Susan. I lose her all the time.
So they're nearby. Yeah.
I don't know where she is. I found her.